Let me ask you something. The way you found this page right now, whether it's through an ad, a search, social media, it wasn't random. It was part of a digital marketing system designed to attract the right people at the right time. And if you're a service based business owner watching this right now, chances are you're looking for a better way to generate consistent leads and customers. Because the reality is, most businesses they rely on referrals, word of mouth, or inconsistent marketing efforts, which makes revenue very unpredictable. Now, my name is Felipe. I'm the president of Intermarketing Agency, and I spent the last several years working in digital marketing and analytics, including working with major companies like Royal Caribbean, AutoNation, while also helping small and medium businesses implement strategies and attract customers online. Now, the way we help businesses grow is actually very simple. First, we identify the exact audience actively searching for your services. Then we create a targeted advertising campaign that places your business directly in front of those potential customers. From there, we'll build out a high converting landing page that captures your leads, guides them towards contacting your business. And then finally, we implement an automated follow up system so that those leads turn into real conversations and then paying customers. Why this works? Well, so instead of waiting and hoping for customers finding your business, we build out a system that consistently brings customers to you. Now, if you'd like to see how this could work for your business, go ahead, schedule a free lead generation strategy call with us, and then we'll take a look at your current marketing, identify any opportunities, and show you exactly how we would help you generate more customers.